Okay, so I just ran Spybot Search and Destroy on my little secondhand compact Vasario, and so it took about a half hour. We got add fill over, whatever, altnet, burst media, cast safe media, comet cursors, core medics, because these are basically malware. Double click, Zulu hot TEXT, fast click, fun web products, gain gator, hitbox, mediaplex, mini bug, my way, my bar, my way, my search, my way, my search, need to find, flight media, stat counter, sumom A, YZP2P, web trends live, wild tangent, Zido. And so basically what I do is after I've done a search on that, I just do fix problems. You're about to remove these entries. Thank you. So hopefully my computer will be running a little faster. It was chugging along like it wasn't even plugged in when I first started. And so I may have to restart, but that's your computer trick for today. And Spybot is a free anti-malware program, and you might go to CNET to download it. And so that's your computer tip for today. If you need any help, you can contact me at laptopsrepaired@yahoo.com. Thanks for watching.